work. Back here in the back of the trap. Boy, it's working. You can make a wheel. Dang! The hell is this?
30 by 16 concave.
30 by 16 concave. Look at the lip on this now. They working. Y'all know we had to bring y'all the exclusive all the way from Texas. Boy, got shit everywhere. They say don't show too much. People be trying to steal their style. I dig it. This my man here. He keep me right. He keep me right. I aggravate the shit out of him. He keep me right. And this boy got what? 1, 2, 3 machines? 4 machines.
That's the play. That's when they get some fractures.
Gotcha. And where the polishing and the finishing. The polishing back here.
Right now and there.
This is where they brush them. That brush phase. Dope. Oh, he know what he doing. Just like that. Damn! That quick. Boy, I tell you, he got it.
Easy, man.
That's my designer there. He finna get Rambo right. Rambo got a special set. Rambo got a special set finna come out. I got shit just laying around. Yes, sir. Bam. Man, back in the trap of corleone, man. Y'all high?
You old. You got it, dog. You know that.
Boy, Ty Band can't figure out what he want. Oh, you know what he want? Man, y'all see this shit, man. Y'all see these. What's up, Toosters and Two Bets? I ain't introduced myself. How rude of me. Y'all need them callers? Shout me out, man. I got you. I got you. There you go, right there. Live and direct, man. Man, hey, you ain't win? Hey, man, it wasn't my fault. It was C10. It was him.